Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your background on Photoroom. So first you choose the template, and then you choose the photo you want to use. So for example, this one, and then wait, it's removing the background of the photo, and then now you can just tap on the background, so the blue color there, and then you can just change the color by tapping the colors there, or if you want more colors you can tap on there, and then you see that you can change the color that's already there, so from the palette, and then so just tap on the color, and then you can also adjust the, so for example you want it to be darker or lighter, and if you want a color from the photo, you can just tap on there, the eye picker, so and then you can just move around and tap on the color you want and tap confirm on the bottom. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.